Let's do this, Bujowski. Yeah, ride with me, vibe with me, vibe with me, ride with me, ride with me, vibe with me, vibe with me, ride with me. I got it in with no problem. Gave the doorman a dub, then I breezed through the club. VIP kinda feels like stardom. We in the spot sipping yak by the bar where them thugs mingle at. It's all love, so don't start none. You got guns, we got guns. The only difference that we got inside the club with them. And yeah, that's your warning. If that's your man, Duke, better calm him. Cause I got dogs that's starving to harm him. My dogs will strap a bomb to him. Don't get it twisted, man. We here to have fun and get drunk and get crunk. And leave with a chick that won't hesitate to give us some. And take it to the telly, to the housekeeper come. I hope to God that this morning will be as good as last night. Mad niggas, no fights. What a dream of life. It's like being in a pot when it's boiling. And all of a sudden chill, cool chicks start pouring. And I hear good times calling, and it's calling. So why the fuck I always feel like I'm falling? It must be a dream that I'm lost in. I got a slice of the good life, and I need a bigger portion. Let's go, ride with me, vibe with me, vibe with me, ride with me, ride with me, vibe with me, vibe with me, ride with me, ride with me, vibe with me, vibe with me, ride with me, ride with me, vibe with me, vibe with me, ride with me. They say the game is too easy. What game? This is life to me, man. And it's not that easy. Lot of dudes talking greasy like it's way too easy. If I put this thing down, you wouldn't pick it up to be me. Would rock your girl, homie, but she's way too sleazy. So when I say breeze, just breeze. When I say please, just leave. Get gone with good speed. Nigga, you don't say, yo, this is bullshit to me. I found a spot where I can kick back and smoke my trees. No stress, no sweat, I even kept all the seeds. And I don't even smoke again, cause I found out the hard way that me and Chronic wasn't no friends. Made me lose my ends and spend too much. I almost lost my rent and lost my touch. Made me fuck up in school cause I was smoking too much. Had to quit that, homie, and get back on the bus. Now I got a new love and it's licks that I hug. A lot of times when I ain't saying much, I'm way too drunk. At times when I say a lot, I'm still too drunk. Still too drunk, man. Still in a funk. It must be a dream that I've been having all month. I got a slice of the good life and I need a bigger chunk. Let's go, ride with me, vibe with me, vibe with me, ride with me, ride with me, vibe with me, vibe with me, ride with me, ride with me, vibe with me, vibe with me, ride with me, ride with me, vibe with me, vibe with me, ride with me. Life is good and I mean that. Even though it gets tough most of the time, it ain't no praying gonna change that. Keep your head high and keep pride, cause you need that. Never lay flat, get your gat and squeeze that. Lot of niggas won't test you if they all about stacks. Broke niggas wanna keep the wall against your back. Me, I'm real with my feedback. I tell niggas where to go and how to get there in no time flat. Either you bout stacks or bout the guns claps. I've been there before, I show you how to do that. Let's get a few things straight right away. I'm the voice of the hood, and if I say it, niggas just say okay. You could get done today, and that's real, nigga, so just chill, cause you don't want it with the hill. You should try to keep your blood inside your body, cause you don't wanna get hit with the shotty, it hurts probably. See them cats in the lobby, them boys working 24 hours round the clock until the feds close the curtains. Must be a dream my whole earth's in. I got a slice of the good life, and I need a bigger serving. Let's go, ride with me, vibe with me, vibe with me, ride with me, ride with me, vibe with me, vibe with me, ride with me, ride with me, vibe with me, vibe with me, ride with me, ride with me, vibe with me, vibe with me, ride with me. Yo, word up. Sometimes we just zone, you know what I'm saying? Trying to escape all this stress, all the beats.
thugs, hustlers, pimps, hookers, you name it, you know what I'm saying? Right now what we about to do is we about to bring the next level, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes we just need to ventilate, you know what I'm saying? Bottle of Henny and shit. Shit, this is our live right here, you know what I'm saying?
Yo, I don't know, Black.
Yo, I know the shit is real, like Bronx style, nigga, feel me. But one more thing, you bless all my enemies. I be around, but for now I'm on some other issue. Getting too close, some niggas might just bust you. But I should tell, it's similar to hell. When niggas tryna get bail and getting out of jail. Then come back to the city, same shit, living lovely. Mad love from the same thugs you bought slugs with. Reminiscing in the alleys, Porterhouse and shit. Strange going out in the rain for the night shift. Days are gone, times are past, running from the feds. Once the stress grows, my tech blows, spear led. If you're related to the crime shit, yo, check out the story. Our real niggas surviving through projects without worry. Selling crack at fast pace. They never worry me, I'm skimming my piece to handle the next man's G's. Extorting far niggas, we falling the fake nigga. Like poker, I'm letting you down for I figure.
How you living over there?
Yo, I'm ready to ride.
How you living over there?
I'm about ready to die.
So how you living over there?
I'm still trying to get by, and I ain't scared to let the shells fly. I surpass all this cash, willing to bet my life. They say I'm overconfident, well fuck them and their children. Let me ask this question, what should I believe in when religion can't afford to get my ass the medicine? My gut feeling spoken, I heard. Told them learn from their mistakes, we all sit back and observe. Drink the Henny till your vision is blurred. Smoke weed till your speech sound like slurs. Can't pronounce a fucking word, cock it back, let the AK swerve. Watch them scatter like it just don't matter. If you buying, then I'm selling, and names ain't important unless you owe me dough and know I'm coming in the morning to get mine. Heed the warning, you can bet the price is costing them. Body in a coffin, it had to be done. I might have laughed, but believe it ain't fun. I got no more places to run, I got nowhere to hide. Yo, I'm swallowing my pride this time, I can't lie. I've done things the average man would've kissed this world by. Still I maintain, the game won't allow me to cry. I break a full bottle of liquor for my peeps that died or in a cell. I feel you, we all going through hell.
Yo, I don't know, Black.
So how you living over there?
My pin pants starting to bleed.
How you living over there?
Selling O's for 13.
So how you living over there?
Hold it down for the team.
How you living?
Still serving them fiends. Yo, if y'all don't know, soon to be screaming my name. You fucking with the spang nigga like you strong cocaine. Defend it though, let him know if you fucking with weight. Stress grows is the anthem, OG to the game. And when we inside, nigga, we running the range. My thug niggas keep running from page. I excel cause I invested in me. Ghetto life got you resting with heat. That time got you more stress than the fiend. Pressing on me? Heck no. Once a tech blows, I pump this like heroin fiends. Islam theme. Yo, I'm nasty plus flash shade. My word. Smoking hashies and taxis, you heard? And my main aim's to maintain sane in the game and drop bombs like Saddam, Abdullah Hussein.
Yo, I don't know, Black.
So how you living over there?
Yo, my eyes wide open.
How you living over there?
Yo, on the block still scoping.
So how you living over there?
I'm just sipping on a Heineken.
So how you living?
Hopefully my force will blink again.
How you living over there?
Trying to guard my life.
So how you living over there?
Holding my heat at night.
How you living over there?
Dodging 6 on bikes.
So how you living? These evil streets is tripe.
Why? Yo, I don't know, Black. 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 Some motherfuckers just be living like that.
of the lost tribes of Africans. Bent as I'm living till I straighten up my life again. I miss the city lights, half a meal for me to get bail. Damn, I'm getting hefty from spitting bars from jails. With thoughts of better days, see me in the kitchen cooking rams, or by the stoplight spinning rims. Whoever told you the slugs won't go through you, lied to you. And I know you type, you don't wanna die, do you? I'm from a place where rules aren't made fair. Niggas are hard to the tip, weapons of war by the hip. Pimp limping, stick up kids with seizure coke. Take with your properties and leave no notes.